Hey guys, welcome to this techie tutorial. Today we're going to enable a YouTube video on a WordPress post. So let's go see what version of WordPress we're running first of all to see if this is even going to work. So go to the W up here in top left corner, click About WordPress, and we're running 5.1.1. You need to be running WordPress 5 or higher and this will work. Okay, so let's go to Post over here in the menu. Click Add New Post, or just Add New. Enter a title for the post, and that one's a good one. And then down here where the block is, you can just click this little YouTube, Add YouTube, and there you go. Just add the video link, or over here, if you click the Add Block button, most used, there's the YouTube. If it's not your most used, just scroll down to Embeds and YouTube. So click any of those ways. All three of them should work. So now we need a YouTube video. So let's go over to YouTube and find a good video, like this adorable cat and dog funny video. Okay, so click the share button and don't just get distracted by the video. Copy the link, pause the video because it's distracting, minimize the window, come over here, right click, paste, and embed. And it's embedded. So that's all there is to it. Hopefully in the future this works like it's supposed to, but currently it's not working right for me. So I'll show you what I mean. Let's go up to preview. Okay, so it looks fine. It's working just like we thought. But if you minimize the window, well, if you minimize it and you shrink the window down, it's not really minimized, it's just not maximized. You can see that it starts to cut off the video. Now if you play it, it's just fine. If you play it, it shrinks down just fine. This is responsiveness. So this video is working as a responsive video on this WordPress site just fine. But let's go ahead and refresh the page. But the problem is that the preview isn't responsive. It's not scaling correctly. The aspect ratio is not shrinking down as it gets smaller like it's supposed to. So it just looks bad. So I found a way to fix it by searching the internet, and I come across the forum. And I'm going to put the link to this forum in the description. And this post by Tom pointed me in the right direction. So let's go ahead and add this to your site's functions, as he says here. So let's go ahead and copy this code, highlight it, copy. I'll put this code in the description, also a link to this forum post. Let's minimize this. Okay, so we're still in preview mode here, so let's just go ahead and click up here, top main site here, whatever your site's called. So we need to go to Appearance and Theme Editor. Now we're going to be editing some PHP here, so do this at your own risk. It should be safe to do, but it's always great to back up before you try any of this stuff, just in case something goes wrong, because we are editing code here. It will give you a warning to ask if you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, get your site backed up, click OK, I know what I'm doing. And then over here to the right where it says Style Sheets, down below that should say Theme Functions, Functions PHP. That's what we need to edit, so click on that. And it opens up. So this is a PHP file here. I'm just going to go to, you can really put it anywhere. So I guess I'm just going to put it at the very bottom though. So just scroll all the way down, all the way down. And if the very bottom is right here, just click enter a little bit, get some new space here. And then we still got everything copied, so just click paste. And there's the code we need. Sometimes I like to add a little comment. If you put 2 forward slashes, it just adds a comment to the code so you know what this is. And a lot of times I just put like my initials and then hack, that way I know I changed the code. And if I ever have to undo it, I know it's there, but you guys don't have to. So there's the code we added. So just go ahead and click update file and make sure you don't mess with anything else. Just add the code. Update file. It'll take a second here. file edited successfully. Alright, let's go back to post. Alright, here's the one we were working on. So let's go back to preview. I didn't publish this because this is a live site. Okay, so we got the cat video again. Everything looks exactly the same. Let's go ahead and shrink the browser down a little bit here. Now you can see that the aspect ratio is maintaining itself. It's stepping down, it's jumping down like it's supposed to. It's not cutting the sides off of the picture like it was before. It is overlapping here a little bit, but you know, I'm happy with that. So on a mobile device, this should look good now. This should work now. I'm guessing in the future, this will probably be fixed in WordPress, but this might just be a temporary hack we have to use until then. So that's all there is to it. You now know how to embed YouTube videos in WordPress. So hope this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching.